Today we want to show you how to order a meal in a restaurant correctly. Apart from that, we will show some typical dishes from the UK, and in the end we will bake an apple crumble together. So let's begin. We're going to start by showing you typical phrases you can use to order food. Bobby and Amelia are spending their holiday in London. They want to order a meal in a British restaurant. So in the following, the two girls will demonstrate you how this is done correctly.
Good evening. How can I help you, ladies?
Good evening. We would like to have dinner.
Sure. How many persons?
1 table for 2.
Can you follow me, please? You can have a seat here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. The menu, here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So, are you ready to order now, and what would you like to drink?
Yes, we are. I would like to have a Coke. And for me, sparkling water, please.
And do you already know what you would like to eat?
Well, for a starter, I have the tomato soup, please. For me as well.
What would you like as a main course? Some fish, or would you prefer meat?
I think I have the roast beef, please. Fish sounds good.
With potatoes or rice?
With chips, please. I prefer the typical English way. Yeah, I would like the house-made apple crumble, please.
Great choice. I really can recommend this one.
Oh, well, I'll go for this one too.
Okay, so everything for now?
Yes, thank you.
Wonderful. So, water?
Yeah, thank you.
And a Coke.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is everything alright so far?
Yes.
Okay.
Cheers.
Have you finished? Was everything alright?
Yes, it was delicious.
Fine. Anything else?
May we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Here you can see a short summary of all the important phrases and expressions you'll need in a restaurant. Depending on what time it is, you can either say, we would like to have breakfast, lunch or dinner.
1 table for 2, please.
I would like to have, or I would like to order. Depending on what dish you'd like to have, you can say, for a starter, for a main course or for a dessert, I'll choose.
I'll go for this one too.
May I have the bill, please?
Always be polite and never forget to say please and thank you. And don't mind to ask if you have any questions. For example, if you want to know where the bathroom is, remember that a polite English person never asks for the toilet. He would say, may I use the bathroom, please?
Here you can see a typical English breakfast with baked beans, potatoes, mushrooms, sausage, fried eggs and bacon. Or you could have a porridge for breakfast. For lunch you could have roast beef with mashed potatoes.
For tea, you can have cream tea with scones, or you can have an apple crumble. So now, if you have a mind to bake a typical English apple crumble yourself, keep watching, we will show you. First, let's have a look at the ingredients we need, which are 5 apples, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 170 grams of plain flour, 110 grams of golden caster sugar, 110 grams of cold butter, 1 tablespoon rolled oats, and last but not least, cream to serve. Furthermore, you'll need a mixing bowl and prepare your baking tray, a mixer and your kitchen scales. So, before you start, first preheat the oven to 190 degrees.
peel and cut your apples and mix them with 2 tablespoons of sugar. And as our special tip, you can add some cinnamon. Then put the apples in your muffin tray so that each of them is covered.
Put the flour and 110 grams sugar in a bowl, slice in the butter and mix it a bit with your mixer. Then rub it in with your fingertips until the mixture looks like this.
Pour the crumb mix over the apples. Then use a fork to even it out, so the crumble holds together and goes crisp. Sprinkle the oats and the brown sugar over.
Put your muffin tray in a preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes until the top is golden. Afterwards, leave to cool it for 10 minutes before you serve it.
Served warm, the apple crumble tastes best.
We hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching.